This is just a voiceover of the introduction of this recording. So I hope you see this intro for now. I hope there is into cinematic. So I hope you can enjoy this text for now. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye. Hello everybody, Aki here, and this is Arcana. Right now I am recording this video while I take a break on writing a draft of my new manuscript. So for now, let's play this game for now and get back to work again on writing. I hope you enjoy, everybody, and thank you for watching as always. I hope you enjoy your stay. According to the ancient legends, men of valor established 6 kingdoms on the island of Element. Disputes broke out constantly among these 6 kingdoms, but if you look at the history of the land, you can see that they were treated as minor matters by the people of these kingdoms. But in time, these seemingly minor disputes spilled over and became as a storm over the land. Eventually, the conflict spread out over the whole island, with each of the 6 kingdoms fighting for control of the island. This continued on for many years. The cities were turned to ruins and the countryside was laid to waste. Byzance was the capital and the largest city in Lexford. Galnion, one of the fourth magicians, launched a coup against King Wagnall. King Wagnall was killed in the conflict, and the evil Gallion ascended to the throne in the conflict. The king's 2 daughters disappeared. Their whereabouts is still unknown. 10 years have passed since this event. Sorry, the scroll is so much faster. Chapter 1. The journey begins. Okay, let's do dungeon diving. 10 days the days passed peacefully for Rooks living in the village of Gallia. His parents had long ago passed on to the next world, but during the time of the rebellion, his parents and a few soldiers led the townspeople out of the village into the woods to await reinforcements. In the meantime, a friend of Rook's father betrayed the survivors, leading to the unfortunate demise of Rook's parents. Taking the final magic card left to him by his parents, Rooks began training every day to learn the ways of the card masters. Ow! Welcome. What would you like? It's just a rumor that the spirits are loose. Oh, okay. 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 Let's buy some things. Okay, let's buy. Would you like to buy? Yes. Okay, no. Welcome. What would you like? Silph. Okay. You look healthy. What? Who's there? Ariel. Is that Ariel? I haven't seen you. I haven't seen you since you were a boy. Yes. What happened? Have you been avoiding me? Didn't our fathers fight together as Knights of Gexford? But your father and Galneon, I have a different opinion from my father. Yes, but let's not discuss that. Who is the girl? She is Tifa, my apprentice. The pleasure is mine. There is something important I want you to do for me. What? It's not just a coincidence that we meet today. Are you aware that dark spirits have arisen in Gexford? Yes. I've been trying to find the reason for this. There's a chaos at the temple in Balnia. It would seem that they are being summoned there. Then, at whatever cost, we must seal the passageway. The only who can do that is you, Rooks. You are the only card master remaining. Will you do it? Yes, I'll try. Thank you, Rooks. We would be forever in your debt. I wish I could join you, but my destiny leads me elsewhere. Please take Tifa with you. I know the way to the temple. I'll leave up to you, Rooks, card master. Okay. Okay. Ah, okay. Okay. Dear Lord. Combat. Okay. Okay. All Rook's power has been increased. HP level has increased 13. MP level has 5. 7 has Endurance 4. Intelligence has 5. And Agility okay. Silph has mastered the change attribute to wind. Okay. Okay, did. There you go. Ngayon. There you go. Herbs acquired. Thank you. Okay. Silver flask, okay. Dead. Oh man, I do really need maps in games. Okay. For now, let's explore around. Ow. There we go, dead. Nice. Level 2 at last. Did okay. Okay, that was a massive damage. Oh dear. Clear one defeated. Go defeated. Okay, level 3. Oh, okay. Okay. There you go. There you go, dead. Okay, dead. Okay, let's go back to the village first. Oh god damn it. Oh, Saurian. Yee! Faded. Okay, fast. Okay, the okay. I-map muna natin. For now, tigil lang muna to konting okay, dear. Lead. Okay. Okay, well then. Okay, then. Okay. Woo-wee. Okay, this is the end of the video, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.